Alright, so may nagdipa ng video dito. It's sold Glass valedictorian publicly confessed to his crush in his speech. This is getting a lot of traction in the past few days. Suggest I would bait would get it for some reaction. So tingnan muna natin ano sinabi ni Guy sa kanyang high school crush. Okay? Tingnan natin. So let's turn on the mic.
Graduation na ngayon, I would like to confess my love for her.
Okay?
To my potassium, my vitamin K,
Ooh,
from Yums to
vitamin K.
Miss K. Alvarez Bagasina.
Sa akin ba may, ano, may vitamin K? This banana have
Hi, congrats K. Teka, nagbablush ako eh.
Okay, nag-flash siya!
Basta, crush kita.
Um, nag-flash siya! Okay.
I have always admired you from afar, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for motivating me to be the best version of myself para sa'yo.
Ayun pala si Kay. Ayan si Kay. Nag-thumbs up. Okay. Nag-thumbs up.
Okay. Let me cook.
Let him cook! Let him cook! Okay. So, yeah, let him cook daw eh. Let me cook. Who let him cook? Okay? Ang ano naman, okay, I think my stand on this is the man, eh, he has some balls. I gotta give it to him. He took the opportunity, sees it, and put him into the position that he is on the advantage. So kudos to him. I see him na meron siyang, he is opportunistic. I bet, saan kaya siguro ito magka-college? Kung mag-NTC? Yeah. Valedictorian. He's probably gonna be on UP somehow, some way. But yeah, some people are just gonna call it cringe, and I can understand. But do remind na tayo, pinagdaanan natin yan eh. Okay? So, I'm upset that there's some negativity on this post, and I am upset na there are some reports na blinak raw tong lalaki na to, blinak raw si itong valedictorian natin after confessing his love. So, let's go to the Reddit thread. Tingnan natin. Oh, he's gonna regret that. We'll cringe to these two after 10 years. Okay, yes, he will cringe it to 10 years. I can give it that. Pero naman, mga pare, I think it's on their stage in their lives naman, siguro. Uh, they're still figuring out their emotions. So you got to respect that, okay? Kayo naman nung mga high school tayo, may pinagdaanan rin tayong ganyan. Nagkaroon tayo ng crush, puppy love, and you get to admit, sometimes naman, kahit tumanda tayo, when we find the real one, tapos mag-engage, it comes up a bit cringe rin sometimes. So, why not just let him do what he thinks is right? Okay? Children have innocent minds, by the way. They're pure, they're young. And if sakaling hindi naging sila sa dulo, it's an experience. At least the man has some balls naman to confess. So, I think that's fine. Okay? But the fact na, oh, he's gonna regret that. No, no, no. Don't do that naman siguro. 2.2K upvotes on Reddit. Huwag naman ganun. Okay? Kids, please don't do this. Who told him this was a good idea? Maybe because he will never see the girl again, and maybe they will go on their separate ways. Kids will do this. I disagree. Kids right now have the ability to be more powerful, and I believe that this person right here, itong tao na to, na nagsabi if the kids don't do this, I don't think he had the guts to tell na may gusto siya sa babae noong time nung siya ay high school pa. I think he is speaking on based on what he understood in high school. You need to put yourself in the guy's shoes, okay? I would have done the same thing, to be honest. Too unfair for the girl naman. Just imagine you just want to graduate, celebrate, tapos di pa ganito. Sana happy siya sa ganito, pero kung hindi, she was really put on the spot. Um, yeah, no, I don't think it's unfair for the girl. Okay? It was a surprise. No one see it coming. Okay? And if I was the girl naman, I'll give him a chance, di ba? Nagawa ko siyang tapusin, pero nasa dulo yung pinaka-cringe na i-cook, let me cook. Ah, okay. So, ganito kasi, tatanda na tayo eh. Kaya, pagdating natin dyan, cringe. Pero if we're like in the spot, yung mga bata, let him cook, it would be some wild line na-formulate ni Mr. Valedictorian. The second-hand embarrassment I got from watching this. Kala mo naman, ano, andun ka, no? Kala mo naman hindi ka dumaan sa ganyan, di ba? So, we're not taking care for the girl and for the parents as well. It puts pressure on the girl and it basically is public. So, it's up for the girl to get back, di ba? Ang ano kasi niyan, ano ba yung linya ni Ramon Bautista? Kasi alam maging torpe ka, di ba? O abangers. At least, si Kuya, nag-confess. Okay? Bahala na. It's either naging sila or ma-friendzone ka. Either way, at least nakapag-confess ka. Nawala ka sa pagkatorpe. Was it on the right move? Was it the right move na sa speech siya nag-confess? Yes! It's the right move. It's the right move. It puts him on the advantage, di ba? If he sees it as a plus, then if he sees it as an advantage to himself, then it's good on him. Okay? At least he's advantageous. He's an opportunist. Balita ko, block sa lahat ng social media itong lalaking pabibo na to eh. Sobrang valid naman. Imagine mo na lang yung yung hiya and probably pressure na napili niya lalo na nag-pan pa sa kanya ang camera. But buti naman ginawa ni girl yan. He ruined her graduation. Hindi sa magandang maalala girl. Guys, this is just grade 12. Okay? This is just grade 12. Meron pang senior high. Meron pang college. I think for elementary graduation, this is going to be the least memorable. Okay? I think senior high is gonna be more memorable at your end naman siguro. Okay? May senior high pa. Maganda daw siya ng college. College is gonna be the least, pero medyo siya yung may maganda sa milestone. Ito nagsalita na to si Barely Moving. Kahit nag-congratulate ka sa milestone mo at maging para sa'yo yung day na yun, may pa naman, dude, it's just senior high, it's just grade 12. It's a grade 12 graduation. Okay? Let the kids be kids. At ikaw, ate, unblock the guy. Okay? You do not know the psychological effect pag binakbo yung guy na, na, may gusto sa'yo. If you want him If you don't want him, just call him out, okay? So there, I don't see the validity na kailangan i-block sa lahat ng socials ni girl because the guy did not do a thing. Kay Bagasina, unblock him. Let him cook.